There are several ways to create a table in Word. To quickly insert a table, select the Insert menu, click Table, and you can simply pull the cursor across the squares for the number of rows and columns you want. Or to customize a table, from the Insert menu, select Table, and click Insert Table. You can adjust the number of rows and columns, and select how you want to fit the content and click OK. Now you can begin formatting the table to your liking. Always remember, have fun and enjoy the process. Frustration leads to errors and non-remembering. And if you have any recommendations, please put them in the comment sections below. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.